keep in mind.
Yeah, start.
One point. If you are if speechless, so next time you will not get chance. Keep in mind. Start now.
Actually, we are saying that religion should not be there. Religion should be there, but
In
according to
foreign
me,
film, you will get 2 marks. Keep in mind, this will be the big difference.
but according to me, religion should be there because you can see the main war like Indo-Pak war was there in 1971. Then it was because of religion, and you can see in book of where world records are recorded. There also it is recorded that 90,000 soldiers have surrendered. And this is because of region only, because in Bangladesh this war happened because in Bangladesh Muslims were killing non-Muslims because it was totally attached to Pakistan, and then it asked help from India, and when India helped, then only it was able to. So why? Because of religion only. Muslims were killing non-Muslims, otherwise this fight will not be there, and this is the biggest fight.
Like the people are.
Let's see.
You are saying that this
Louder.
is just because you are saying that this is just because of the religion. How can you relate it to the religion? Why don't you think that this is an edited part of the religion? The people, they are using it just for the sake of religion. You are saying that the many wars have happened just because of the religion. How can you relate it to the
Okay,
religion?
do you believe that God is there?
Of course.
Okay, so you believe that Bhagavad Gita is spoken by Lord Krishna?
Of course.
So, tell me any slok where he has spoken about Hindu, Muslims, Christian, and anything about any religion. Only he has spoken about the dharma, and that is our to do karma.
That is what I am also
Yeah.
saying.
So, but what we are following? We are following that
you
Hindu,
also-
Muslim,
let's
Christian.
You have to get
You
your
are the-
opportunity. No one will call you. Keep in mind. Yeah.
Let me say,
Okay.
you are saying that people are fighting for the sake of Muslims and Hindu, right? And now you are saying that the Lord Krishna was saying that religion is only the way how can we set our life. And you are saying that,
I am
and you are
saying
saying
that
that in
religion
Gita
is
it is
not
not
there.
written. You are saying in
Religion
Gita
is not
in
there.
Gita
I am
it is
saying
not
that
written
he is
Lord
saying
Krishna was
that
saying.
only
You
our
are
dharma
saying-
is to follow our karma. Anything is
Yeah,
not
yeah, I am
anything
saying that
else.
religion is
So
the
then why you are
religion is the
following
mission
that
that
he
we
is
should
Hindu,
follow
he is
our karma.
Muslim? He is
You are saying that you are saying that.
Actually, as Prakash said that people are fighting for the sake of religion. So let me know in which religion that is written there that we should fight together.
Yeah, in which religion?
Only religion tells us that we should love.
Yeah.
In which religion that is written? Tell me now.
But God is one.
Yeah.
God has made us, and we
Okay.
have made religion.
Yeah.
God didn't say that make religion.
Okay,
That
okay.
we are
It means
Hindu,
that
Muslim.
it means you wanna say that we have made religion.
Yes.
Am I right? So if we have made, we should not follow. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you have to worship God,
Right.
worship. What is the need of religion?
Definitely. In mathematics, I think that you are studying mathematics. Okay. Listen, dear. I will provide you a point. It means I am not favoring anyone's team. Actually, the team is speaking well, so I will provide the points against of the team. It means that I am giving you the opportunity. You have to oppose me also like your companion. So listen to me. Mathematics, you are following the formula or not?
Yes.
You are following the identities or not?
Yes, sir.
Identities are invented by you. Why you
Yes,
are, why you are following those identities and those rules? Tell me now.
Yes.
Why you are
Douglas too.
why you are using Pythagoras theorem? Why you are using? Who was Pythagoras? Means there was Pythagoras something.
Yeah.
I'm missing the name. So why you are following? You will say that it is invented by a man. I will not follow. Why?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, but in
Good.
math,
You have to oppose. Okay, keep in mind.
in
Come on.
math there is no fight that Pythagoras theorem
I will
is-
give you the new direction of debate. Okay? Yeah, come on.
that in math when we put the formula in any question, there is no fight in between that formulas that it is bigger or it is bigger.
Yeah.
But in religion there is fight. We are fighting that our religion is bigger than that religion or their religion is not.
But who and all are doing this type of comparison? Who and all are doing? People are doing.
No.
Religion?
No, we are doing this for class.
In which religion that is, in which religion that is written, it is written that Hindu is the best, Hindus are the
Yeah.
best, or Muslims
Yeah,
are the
this
best.
is-
Where?
The
This is
problem is
people
in
think
that
that, yeah, this
there
is
the
an identity
God
part of
is
people.
more of religion. In that time, the people
may I-
are fighting.
Wait. Shreyas, you want to speak something?
Sir,
Louder.
yes, sir. Sir, as they said before that why do we need religion? Sir, religion is a support system. If they don't need it to get to the God, to know the truth, to realize the truth,
Very good.
it does not mean that that they can object towards that there should not be religion.
Fantastic, fantastic.
We want the support system to get to the God, to get to the truth, to realize that truth. Then there's nothing wrong to follow
First time he's
religion.
taking a part in the debate. Vivek has his thing. Yeah. Right. So now who will answer?
Apart from this,
Yeah. Louder, Nivita, louder.
Okay,
You
sir.
have to speak.
Apart from this religion, many issues are there, but also first problem with religion is that we are to
Please take out your
religion
hand. Please
often
take out your hands. including
often
this
often
person.
misused by fundamentalists also, and the other problem is that argument are made by press, and other people are argue made by religions also. Many issues are there. Why you say that religion should be there?
Yeah. Angel is having an answer.
But our community is written very clean, but India is a secular country, so how can we say that religion should not be there?
The history of mankind, it has been not a religion with difference in any person, because all the person are equal in this world. If I say the story, if suppose a child were there in a school and there was a problem because of religion, so what will you do? You say that religion is there. You feel that.
But there are many religions out there and people out there his believe other gods. So
Your child was sad in
but Christians there, Muslims are
With
there.
your
but there are
classmates
many
also.
religions are there, na?
Right,
We will
no,
make
right.
them understand that what is religion. They are getting it wrong. We will make them right that religion.
I'm not saying this. I'm saying this. If your child was sad because of your classmate said you are other religion, you should not nearby with me. So what will you feel?
Sir, they
Children are not.
I think that they all are having
confused.
distorted thinking.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's
sir.
not because of religion.
Yes,
If
sir.
who is a very he is a really follower of religion, so he will not come
Say
and
so.
pass.
Yes.
Actually, we are religious person. It doesn't matter that we should teach others that you are Hindu, you are Muslim. Am I right? Religion only just teaches us how to get sacraments,
Yeah.
how to live well,
Habitual
with our
power, how to
families,
get.
right?
So they may be used to people under control also. Religion may keep away from responsibility from the
So
people.
religious thinking of people, they should change their thinking. What's the fault of religion? When it's said
Very
that
good. It is going
Yeah.
on well,
Right.
when it's said that
Yeah, fantastic.
you should fight for me.
Everybody is
Because
speaking,
religion
they are
often
making
claim
models.
too much to know.
Where is it in that you should fight for the sake of me?
The argument often by fundamentalists also.
No.
One is feeling cold.
Why you are not go mosque, Gurudwara, and there are many temples are there. So you are believe God. That's why.
You believe in God.
That's why we believe
that's
in
why.
God, not religion. That we are going in temple, Gurudwara, and that.
Okay, what are the benefits
That
of
we
going
believe
by
in.
temple?
So
There are
we
many
believe in
religions are
God.
there.
We did not
Hindu,
say.
Christians, temples.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Religion is a path of if you want to get a God,
Yes,
this is a
yes.
path.
A
of
person who is following religion, he will get God, definitely.
Yeah. If
So tell me a name this time who is following the religious controlly. Have you seen Aditya Yoginath? Yogi Adityanath, he is following religious controlly. Has he got
no,
God?
he is following. You're right, but
Actually,
He is
listen
not.
here.
Yeah.
A person becomes religious when he feels miracles in his life. Right? I think that you must have listened about Swami Vivekananda.
yeah,
Yes,
right.
And his guru name was? What was his chapter?
Ramkrishna Paramans, yeah.
Probably, you're right.
Yeah.
So you know that actually we all know an incident related to his life that he had glimpsed, he had got a glimpse of Goddess Kali, right? It doesn't matter. Actually, if a person is very religious, definitely miracles are
Yeah.
happening in his life.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have
If he is
You
at
cannot
the
see it.
adult age of
They have
religion.
positive energy also. Yes.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if you are a religious person, it does not mean to look at the shape of the God. It does not mean to look at how he looks.
Please
it
see,
only
yeah.
means to get the positive energy that a religious person definitely gets. And before starting any work, so I can give you the great example of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Richard Hawking also. And he said that for him an equation is just incomplete if it doesn't express the thought
I
of
will
God.
pass it out.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
That
a Muslim. Why are we fighting Muslim or fighting a Muslim? Why they are fighting?
So this is the problem of the Muslims.
Yes, sir.
Mentality.
Usually,
They are seen as individuals, but if whole country is fighting, I'm telling you the example of Germany. When the Hitler was ruling there, he believed that blue-eyed Aryans were only great and rest Jews were being killed. So he has killed 2 lakhs people. So because of religion or not, if religion
Suppose
was
that
not
if you
there,
are
then he has not
suppose
killed.
that if you are curious about anything, so it means you are a religious person. He was not a religious. He was a lawless person.
Yeah.
He wants anything.
if you are really religious, you will not
Okay, only I'm not talking
Means
about
it
only.
suppose that
He was
if
an
you are
oppressor and having a bad thinking.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
suppose his
We
bad
Everybody
thinking
was
was-
having bad thinking.
No,
If I'm telling you the
Excuse me,
example,
Baba.
according
You
to
are
the
saying that all the persons are common. Why you say this? All the persons are common in this word. Why you say you believe that religion should be not there?
We believe that religion should be there. We believe that we are all sisters and brothers. This is what our religion says.
Excuse me,
More and
why
more you have to be
means,
unfortunately. Be brave. Start now.
then why? Usually we have seen that our parents are saying that, don't go to his house, he is Muslim, he is this, he is that.
What?
So why? Because of religion or not?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
What you told that your parents told that they don't go there.
Not my parents, everybody.
My mistake, sorry. And you know that it's not depend on parents, it's only for depend on parents. If parents is good, definitely you will go anywhere, but if not depend on religion, that you will not go there and you will not go here. If not depend on parents,
According to the encyclopedia
Their parents are
over 1,763 wars, only 125 wars were being caused by only because of religion, means
Excuse me.
6.98%.
Excuse me.
And because of that 30 or 40 lakh people were killed because of religion, means it is not the mentality of one people that religion should be there, but they are taking, it is the mentality of crores people that they are. You can see now today's example between Palestinians and Iraqis, they are fighting. Why? Iraq and Arab neighbors, they are fighting. Why? Because of religion. They think that, take the example of North Korea and South Korea. South Korea people think that we are great, North Korea people think that we are great. Why? Because they think that
Their parents are
religion should only for depend on people thinking what
Their parents are teaching them that you should not follow their religion, your religion. That's why when they are adults, they try to fight together.
Good.
Because and then when they are adults, they try to fight to this country, that country, because their parents are teaching that
Yeah,
you
that's right.
should not
Depend
follow
on
this
your-
reason or that reason, you should not go to that house or that one house. Because
Okay, so
Wait.
your
it's
parents
a
are
fault of their
so
parents.
your
So
parents are
parents-
teaching you that you should go
Wait.
Yeah,
you should
because
respect
if they're thinking
every
it-
religion. So why don't
yeah,
you
if
go
they're
to
thinking it,
mosque?
they can say to me.
Wait, Sachi,
Yeah, I have
Sachi.
gone mosque and
Bhavika, wait, Sachi.
If you are believing in God, that means is there a heaven or not?
what?
Heaven.
Heaven. Is there heaven or not? Yeah, definitely.
Have you ever seen
Yeah,
heaven?
definitely there is
Where
heaven.
is it?
Yeah, we have never seen, but actually we know what is heaven. What is the concept of heaven?
Yeah.
We know.
And suppose that if
Listen,
anyone dies,
in which family the people are living lovingly, they are respecting each other, they are caring each other, definitely there is heaven.
But it's like how
It's
heaven
not
is
compulsory.
described,
Yeah.
it is not like that. Na?
How? Who has described it?
Heaven is not-
Bad men in every religion, and every religion, the bad men, you know that bad men are there and they have added some part always. For their own profits, that's why. They are provoking the people to win the election. Especially they are politicians. And the people, you know that the
Why?
people are
Means
being provoked.
they are provoking
being
in the
provoked.
name of religion. You can see in many countries, Pakistan, if people are not getting job, so they need money to eat or not. And if anyone would say that you will do this work, so I will provide you money. So the
Yeah.
main cause of that work is
Wait,
religion.
wait. One side, one person has spoken from your side. Now you Sanskriti.
Do you believe in God?
We are,
We are not believing, but that's
We
why
believe
we
in
are
God,
but not
in tribal.
we believe in God but not religion.
Okay.
Okay.
In tribal, whom do you remember? Which God do you
God,
remember?
only God.
Only God. Only God.
Not we are
Only God.
like
Not in
we are
religion.
Hindus, so we are saying that oh Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, please help. Like Christian, oh God, and like in Muslim, not oh Allah, and like in Sikh type, like we are not saying that.
so Didi, if we are saying oh Isa Masih, oh Lalla, so it means so that we can't think about them.
We are saying
Their gods are not good.
we are saying
If their gods are not good, we can't think about it. That
Of course.
if people think about the Muslim victims, then they will kill us. Okay? I have also been everywhere in the church, mosque.
If suppose the poor person is
God, not religion,
Didi,
that we have to support
In the mosque,
different
in the mosque, the priest didn't say to me that you are Hindu, so don't come here. It's because of people think that if the priest in the mosque, they will say to us that you are Hindu. So I know that I will not go there. But it's depend on people's thinking.
Yeah, it's not
That's why I have
So try to go to Dubai. There are others that and try to say that I am Hindu and let me enter if they
Of
allow.
course, it's not
Yes, one is speaking from your side, so please listen, okay? Yeah. Let him speak.
Bapiji, you have told us that you are going to mosque. Once a time you have told us that you are going to mosque. You are believing in God, not a religion.
You is Miss Bhavika, okay? Right?
You are believing in
Mister.
God,
I believe
not a
in both.
religion.
I believe in
You
both
are
religion
going
and
to
God.
you are going to anywhere
Very good.
visit a place that Delhi, Mumbai,
Okay,
there are
sir.
gurdwaras are there. You are going sometime. You are believing in God, not in a religion that Sikh, Isai, Hindu, like this.
No.
I am believing in the both. The problem of the
Single
people
time.
why they are not believing in the
No problem.
It's the problem of
Yeah.
it's the problem of thinking.
Let us speak again. You will have to get your opportunity. You will not, anybody will not give you. Keep it in
Yeah.
mind.
So the real problem is this
Yeah.
that the people they always relate religion to the God. Why? Why can't we think that it is the way to get the God? And so religion does not mean to worship someone
Yeah,
like
that's
to
not a single point. It means that if you wanna get a spiritual power, if you wanna get God, definitely we have to choose any way.
Any way, yeah.
Without choosing any, suppose
That
that
is very
we wanna-
important,
this is suppose that a fantastic example there. If you wanna go to Kanpur, we have to choose our way.
Way. Without way you
The
cannot.
way,
your-
maybe through the roads
Yeah, right.
and air,
Air.
sea, but we have to choose.
Yeah.
Without choosing any way, I think that we cannot go to
Not.
Kanpur.
Yeah,
and so
right.
they are talking about the gods like
As
that.
you said that we are.
I'm not saying, just only point is there. Debate is between
So,
you and
and so they are talking that this one what happened,
Yeah.
this one what happened. So why do you think that it is because of the religion? Why
No,
don't
that
you
is because of
you never
I think that it is because of religion is not the mentality of own individual. It is the mentality of crores people.
Okay,
Means,
so then you are writing something else like it is wrong in the exams also. You will tell it is because of the teacher. Yeah,
What
you
is
will
it?
not say no, it is not my mental health. This is
But
the teacher has taught not me like this. Now I will definitely write down. You will not study yourself. Yeah. You
But
depend
why
on the teacher. It will
no,
be exam.
Prakash is
Why
saying,
teacher will say wrong?
Prakash is saying,
teach?
please check Google. Why should we check? Actually, Google is also made by man.
Yes, sir.
Religion is not made of.
Yeah, why not?
Religion is also made by man.
Fire at them.
Religion is also made. Sir, if sir is saying that Google is made by a man, we should
When?
not
When?
say that the religion is also
When?
made by man.
When?
Why
You have date?
don't use? There is also religion.
You have date?
But the Google.
You know.
Why don't use?
Sir, I have a question.
There is also religion.
Yeah.
You are saying that a man has a religion. Can you tell me the name of the man?
No, one minute. Why not?
What?
Tulsidas. Didi.
What Tulsidas? No.
Yes.
Only book, not religion. Okay. Yeah.
So, accordingly, you have spiritual powers. Okay.
Positive energy. Why don't you think
So, do you think that God has made?
Okay, God said to you that make
You
religion.
are
God
you are
said
saying
that
that
make
wait,
religion.
sir.
Control your.
Yes, God is made everything too. Religion is God made everything.
Religion is
Yeah.
made by God.
Yeah. Why not?
Excuse sir.
Warning for you all.
Yeah.
If you show your anger, definitely you get minus.
Oh my God.
Sir, excuse me. Now that the Sir, now that the debates have told that Akshat Bhaiya has told that
What?
God has made religion, right? God
Yeah.
has made religion.
God, yeah.
Tell me the name of that God.
What?
Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Who is that God? You have said that. Or any
Just-
Christian or any Sai.
Have you ever
What is
seen
the name of that?
Listen.
how much take of it?
God has inspired any particular person,
And he made.
given spiritual thoughts like
But
Lord
sir,
Buddha.
their
Yeah.
teammates have told that.
First he got
Sir.
knowledge, then he.
I am believing with God like God that.
But sir, their teammates have told that.
Christians are there. Let them speak. Very first, Nisu. Move the camera there.
Yeah.
Give the points.
Can I ask question?
Yeah, and you can.
What is religion and what are advances? What are the advantages of religion?
Religion is a way that
Wait, tell us.
Religion is a truth way that teaches us which work right and which work wrong.
Excuse me, if the poor person are there, they don't have money and they work in any shop, he don't decide to, there's a Hindu, there's a Muslim, he decide to, what will he do?
That is not religion. That is not religion. That is sect. Religion is everywhere. That is sect.
You have said
when anyone will go to shop, so he will try to purchase something. He will not see that who is Hindu, who is Muslim. If he is Hindu, so I will not purchase it.
why not? Many persons are saying that it is Muslim. Many persons are saying. My neighbors have seen. They are going and saying that it is Muslim. Don't go there. I don't have number.
Maybe they are mental.
Google is made. Prakar bhai has said that Google. Who made the Google? Who was founder of the Google? We know that. But we know the caste religion we are using. We don't know that.
She is having a point.
We don't know that is a Christian, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. We don't know. But we are using
Jesus
it.
has also made the religion of Christianity, so we are worshipping him or
So,
not.
we are using or not?
That
We are
is
using
also
or
a
not?
man. Okay.
No, 1 minute. We are using
Wait,
or not?
Miss Treya, still speak.
Okay, tell me.
Speak louder.
Yeah. Okay, tell me why you don't believe in religion. So why all language of our religions are changed? Means that why language of our religions are different.
You are saying
If you
that
see any person, the people who
not
are
a religion, sir. Sir, I
In
have one.
anger, you will get minus point. I have warned you already. Everybody, keep on smiling and keep on speaking. I am avoiding the.
Sir,
Yeah, wait.
sir,
Yeah.
I have one.
Hand, finger, hand,
Sir, I am
hand.
doing
Tanmay will speak then.
You are saying that religion in religious the language are in religion the language are changed. So we are I am saying that in any 15 kilometer you go there any 15 kilometer the language are changed. You are saying like he then we saying that she that you are saying religion not a religion in any 15 kilometer you
and
go
the
20
students are
kilometer you
also
will
go
go the
for
language is
studying
changed.
to teach Urdu classes also. The teacher will also teach Urdu classes and the student will also go to, because they don't believe that religion should be there.
Okay. Yeah. Aditya, without having passed.
I have a question, sir.
It will be the admit card of next exam, next debate. Keep in mind. Speak.
Sir, may I?
I have a question.
Sir.
Wait. Tell us.
They want that religion should not be there. If religion should not be there, then what will be happen?
Yeah.
Of course, humanity will be there, not religious will be there.
That is also religion. That is also
Everyone. One by one, please.
Okay, so I have a
Voice will not be
question.
clear.